Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are gonna be creating Minnie Mouse French tip. For this, first I'm sticking nail vinyls in tip of my nail. Now I'm coloring my nail tip with red nail paint. When the nail paint is still wet, remove the nail vinyls. Using dotting tool or bobby pin, make some dot on red nail paint. Now using thin brush and black acrylic color, paint a line above red nail paint. Using same color, draw a bow. Here are some final results. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.